Hi, I'm Faiza Baid, Executive Director of the Muslim Women's Network UK. We were funded by DCLG to hold 5 events in 5 cities on the issue of forced marriage and honour-based violence. The format of the events that we chose to use began with a performance by Yasmin Bey Gully called Mitigated Circumstances. This was followed by an informative presentation by Project Manager Shaheen Ashraf from MWNUK. This presentation really informed the audience about the diverse backgrounds of victims of forced marriage and honour-based violence, and included a wide range of statistics such as that people come from 88 different countries, the forced marriage unit received over 1,000 cases just last year, and also the consequences of forced marriage and honour-based violence through case studies that we had received on the Muslim Women's Network helpline. The balance of these two things was then followed up by an informative and interactive workshop discussion called Having Difficult Conversations. The purpose of this workshop was really to get people in the audience to understand how to challenge some of the cultural arguments used by families on forced marriage and other such issues. And it was really good because what we found was that by getting people to interact with each other, they themselves came up with the solutions for tackling this issue, not only within their families, but also within their communities, and also within society at large. I think the events were really successful because what they did was bring together a really diverse array of participants, men, women, Muslim and not, and actually not only victims of domestic violence, but also frontline practitioners from either the police or children's services or schools or other domestic violence services. I think what was really telling for us in terms of the success of the event was that we had so many disclosures. We had 7 disclosures out of all of these events. One particular person, and I'll just read for a second, said, "I had a forced marriage when I was studying and doing my BTEC. I wanted to be an engineer. I went to Pakistan with the family for my sister's wedding. I had no idea that my family were also going to marry me off too until I was in Pakistan and my mom took me to buy my wedding outfit. I have suffered in my marriage and divorced this man after 17 years. And what was really powerful for this particular woman was she really connected to the Mitigated Circumstances performance by Yasmin. What she said was, there were so many times I wanted to kill my husband. I thought I will get maybe 7 or 10 years in prison and then I'll be out. But actually, at least I would have been rid of this man from my life." So I think it's really that in itself, that disclosure in itself was really powerful because it showed the real impact of having a balance of information and visual performance, and some of the pledges that we've had you'll be able to see in our report shortly. Thanks to DCLG and thanks for all the participants of the events.